Today we are going to take a look at ACS Prelim 2021, Paper 1, Question 2. Find the exact values of x in the equation log x 100 equals to log x. Now let's take a look at this logarithm here, left and right. We have this one here is base x, and this one here, the base is hidden. Let me write for you here. This LGX is equivalent to log base 10 of x. This is the hidden base over here. Now, of course, we can change the base for this one or this one. My personal preference is to change to the base of a number. So for me, I'm going to change this base x to base 10. It will be easier for me to do. So first task here, I want to change the base 10, so I do not want 100 over here. So my first task I will do is that I will change 100 to 10 raised to a power 2. And from here, I can move the power using power rule to the front. And next step, I will have 2 log x10 equal to log x. Now from this step here, I can change the base to base 10 using a shortcut. So I'm going to write 2 and swap it to reciprocal. And the next step, what I will do is that we'll swap this x and 10 position. So you have a 10 here and an x here. So since I want to be consistent, I can also write this LGX as log 10 of x. And of course, we usually do not write log base 10. So what I'll do is that I will erase this 10 here and erase this 10 here. So we have log x and log x. These two are equivalent, and log 10n is equivalent to log x. Now let me also explain a little bit of this shortcut over here. So now if you are going to apply change in base log x10, the proper method of changing in base is that I will write log, and I will choose a base to change. So in this case, we're going to change base 10. And what you see here is that 10 goes up, x goes down here. And you will see log 10 here is a 1, and log 10x, and we normally don't write this base 10. So what I will write is a log x, which is over here. All right, so next step, we're going to multiply log x to the right. So what we'll get is log x, the whole thing raised to a power 2. Now make sure you write the bracket. If you do not write the bracket, you'll change the meaning of it, which will be wrong. Next, I have a power 2. I'm going to take square root. So now I have log x equals to, be careful, when you want a positive, negative square root, you need to write it, okay? So now we have a positive, negative of square root 2, because logarithm can take both answers, positive or negative answers. So now, next step, log, remember our log is a hidden base 10. So now I'm going to take index base 10, both sides. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write it separately. So first one, raised to power positive 2. And the second one here, I'm going to write power of negative 2. These two are exact answers. So once you reach this stage here, before you type a calculator, so make sure you read the question again. So what we have here is that find the exact values of x. So the word exact, I'll leave my answer here. And you can also notice that they give you a clue that you have values of x, which we have two answers over here.